Hey y'all, remote heads. It's your favorite cheapskate, El Cheapo, back with another tip-packed guide. Today we're talking about setting up a home office on a budget. Specifically, we're focusing on avoiding the hassle of furniture assembly, creating an inspirational and attractive workspace, because no one wants to stare at a dull office all day. One of the best perks of working from home is skipping the cubicle and designing a space that's all yours. Even if your office is just the kitchen table, you can make it your own. Who wouldn't love that freedom? So here's the game plan. Let's set up a stylish, functional office space, no complicated assembly required, for under $200, excluding the computer. Let's get to it. Desk solutions. Hate putting desks together? Same here. And paying someone to assemble one? No, thank you. Here are some creative, low-cost desk ideas. 1. Repurpose a folding bookshelf. If you've got an unused bookshelf collecting dust, repurpose it into a desk. Don't have one? Walmart has fold-in bookshelves for under $70. These are compact, foldable, and easy to customize for a stylish home office. Check out this folding bookshelf on Walmart. 2. Large folding desks, Amazon. These desks require zero assembly, just unfold them and you're good to go. Prices start at around $45 and they're surprisingly sturdy and spacious. Try one out and tell us what you think. Third, no assembly table with white legs. This one's a bit pricier at $89, but it's sleek and attractive. Perfect for remote workers who value both style and convenience. 4. Lumizone folding desk with pegboard. If you're short on space, this 29-inch desk is a winner. It's compact, folds flat, and comes with a pegboard and shelf for added functionality. At around $99, it's ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or shared spaces. 5. Lap desk pillow. For laptop users, a lap desk pillow is a game changer. It's cozy, portable, and includes features like a cup holder and side pocket. At just under $60, it's a budget-friendly option for ultimate comfort. What do you think? Did we miss anything? Remember, an amazing workspace doesn't have to break the bank. A functional and attractive office can boost your productivity and lift your spirits without the hassle or expense of furniture assembly. We'll explore more budget-friendly remote office options in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. It means the world to us. Until next time, happy remote working.